with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our really excellent 1973 Triumph Spitfire 4 convertible. It's a 1500cc engine, British racing green, black interior, black top and top boot, chrome luggage rack, 4-speed, disc wheels, excellent California car showing 49,000 miles. We just purchased it out of storage. It was stored for about 4 years, and we put a fresh battery on it, did the rear brakes, fired right up, got it running and driving. I think we did a fuel pump, but super honest, great body, nice cosmetics, really good paint, really good all around. Just an overall excellent little 73 smog exempt Triumph Spitfire in the right colors, of course, British racing green, black. Just do a slow walk around here. Yeah, just look at these gaps, fantastic gaps on this thing all the way across. These bonnets, they don't always fit this nice, but on this car it's just beautiful. Beautiful door fit, really lovely paint, original rear bumper, very nice chrome luggage rack. Really no issues with this car. There is one little dent here, like a little baseball dent, small tennis ball. We're gonna pop that out, and that's easy. So that's gonna be repaired before the new owner takes the car. But yeah, have a look at the driver door gap. Another excellent bonnet fit right here. So super good body on this one. Lovely wheel arcs, nice wheel and tire set. This is, I believe this is an original British racing green car. It's had a recent repaint in, pretty good quality. Really nice replaced windshield. Good sealing rubber there. This is the original top boot on the car. It's in excellent condition. Underneath is another excellent condition soft top. Let me take this off. I'll show you the interior here. So beautiful interior. We believe these are the original seats. Carpets look excellent. Pretty perfect brand new wood dash. When you see these Spitfires of this age, the dashboards tend to look a bit aged, but this has been replaced with a brand new fresh unit. All the instruments are operating nicely. This car runs, drives, shifts great. We're going to show you that in our driving video. I'll just get rid of this here. Now let's check out this car, the trunk on this car. So in here we have a fully, as you can see, beautifully upholstered trunk. Excellent original tonneau cover. There's even the jack handle. There's some touch-up paint, spare wheel, tire cover, and I'm gonna walk over here and put this this top boot in there right now. So yeah, top boot, tonneau, top, all correct weather equipment fitted. And the nice thing is about this car, when they painted it, they completely went inside the engine compartment and repainted everything here. Yeah, so really nice, clean, detailed engine compartment. Back of the hood was painted nicely. Bulkhead. All these little items came off and they painted the whole bulkhead there. So really nice restoration on this one. Aluminum valve cover fitted to the engine. But as you can see in here, all painted beautifully, super crisp, clean suspension. That's that brand new battery we fitted. Hydraulics were excellent. You can see it's had some recent freshening of the brake hoses. So super good, well taken care of car. great bonnet fit. Yeah, so there you have it. Super fun, ready for the season. This is our 1973 Triumph Spitfire Convertible, 1500 Series 4. Great condition car, ready for the season. British Racing Green, black, 4-speed, disc wheels, luggage rack, black top, tonneau top boot. Great driver in excellent overall condition. We believe this car has lived in Southern California all of its life. We purchased it just about 20 miles away from our business here, and took very little to get it up and running and driving. But yeah, if you're in the market for some super good, affordable fun, it's right here in the right colors. 1973 Triumph Spitfire 4 Convertible.